Welcome back to my channel, Lord! Today, I am bringing you something beyond imagination, something that defines ultra-luxury, futuristic design, and engineering perfection. The all-new 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. This is not just a motorhome, it is the crown jewel of luxury travel. A rolling palace that combines power, prestige, and pure indulgence in ways the world has never seen before. From its breathtaking design to its technological marvels, this coach stands as the ultimate expression of elegance on wheels. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach arrives with an exterior design that commands presence the moment you see it. The body features a sleek aerodynamic profile, wrapped in a shimmering combination of metallic tones with diamond-cut accents, giving it the aura of a luxury yacht gliding across the land. The LED matrix headlights, seamlessly integrated into its futuristic frame, shine like the eyes of a beast ready to conquer the roads, while the chrome-finished grille displays a bold yet elegant identity. The panoramic glass windows stretch across the side, tinted for privacy but crystal clear for those inside, offering breathtaking views of the world beyond. Parked in front of any resort or on an open highway, the Prevost Liberty Coach stands as a symbol of wealth, success, and unmatched craftsmanship. Step inside and the magic truly begins. The interior of the 2026 Liberty Coach is a realm where imagination meets perfection. The cabin is designed with handcrafted Italian leather, exotic woods, and crystal detailing that glows with ambient lighting across every corner. The floors are polished marble with underfloor heating, while the ceilings are embedded with a starry sky lighting system that can change patterns to match your mood. Every seat is a throne, fully reclining, with massage, cooling, and memory settings. The living area is more than a lounge, it's a masterpiece designed to rival the penthouse of a 5-star hotel. The smart technology integration takes luxury living to a whole new dimension. The entire coach operates on an AI-powered central system that responds instantly to your voice commands. From adjusting the climate to dimming the lights, from opening hidden compartments to activating entertainment systems, everything is smooth and effortless. The massive 8K OLED display rises silently from the console, creating a home theater experience with 3D surround sound. The windows can transform into interactive smart panels, giving you access to maps, entertainment, and even privacy, tinted modes at the touch of a finger. The kitchen inside the Liberty Coach is nothing short of extraordinary. Designed with gourmet chefs in mind, it includes a full induction cooking range, a concealed smart refrigerator, and a wine cooler that maintains perfect temperature for the finest collections. The countertops are crafted from quartz crystal, glowing softly under accent lights, making cooking an experience of elegance. Even the smallest details, like self-cleaning systems and aroma diffusers, remind you that this is no ordinary coach. It is luxury redefined. The bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and royalty. A king-size bed with memory foam technology and temperature regulating sheets ensures unmatched comfort during your travels. The walls are covered in soundproof materials, making the space silent and serene, while a private entertainment unit is built seamlessly into the design. Hidden storage compartments open with a touch, keeping valuables safe yet easily accessible. The bathroom resembles a luxury spa with a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, touchless controls, and gold-accented fixtures that remind you of royal living. But the Liberty Coach is not just about luxury, it is also about performance. Beneath this majestic body lies a powerhouse, a twin-turbo hybrid diesel-electric engine that delivers both raw strength and eco-efficiency. With over 600 horsepower, it ensures a smooth yet commanding ride across highways and terrains. The adaptive suspension adjusts in real time, making every journey as smooth as gliding through the clouds. Advanced driver assist systems, radar-based monitoring, and autopilot functions make long-distance travel effortless, ensuring both safety and convenience. What sets the 2026 Liberty Coach apart is not only its design or technology, but the feeling it creates. It is the sense of moving through the world without leaving behind a single comfort of home. It is about experiencing freedom with elegance, traveling not just in luxury, but in an entirely new dimension of living. Every detail has been crafted to perfection, every system engineered to serve without flaw, and every corner designed to impress. This is more than travel. It is a lifestyle, a dream that turns the open road into a private kingdom. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is not just a motorhome, it is the future of luxury travel. It is for those who do not compromise, for those who live with vision, and for those who demand the extraordinary. Whether parked in Monaco, gliding through the Swiss Alps, or resting under the stars in the desert, this coach defines what it means to own the road. This is where innovation meets imagination, and luxury meets limitless freedom. So, my friends, if you ever wondered what the ultimate symbol of luxury on wheels looks like, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is the answer. A creation for the elite, built with passion, powered by innovation, and designed to leave the world in awe. Stay tuned for more breathtaking machines only here on Auto Elite E, where dreams and reality meet on wheels.